Hello everyone, it's your girl again. I throw a salute to all my returning subscribers and viewers. If today not the first time of coming across my channel through videos, you are highly welcome to my channel. My name na Julie Yams. Na me they bring the tori come nakuna for wherever una dey. Me I go carry am je come give una sharp. I beg, if you dey watch me and you never subscribe, bikonu. This not the right time to hit that subscribe button for head bankam, and God go to bless una as una dey subscribe. Okay, now make I tell you wetin dey happen for today. I came across this video. I am so excited. I dey happy, but let dey sweet me. Now the kind story one I dey like to put. Now the kind story one I dey like to carry come give my people, so that we go dey wise, so that we go dey change for our country Nigeria, and we go make the place a better place for everyone. It's about one Michael Osareti. This name, e be like say na Benin name, but they serve for Akure. In a copper, we know wetin be copper. In a cop member. These people when go university, when you finish university, the government go ask you make you serve the country for 1 year. So they usually post you away from where you are used to. So you no go be where they born you, where you grow up. You no go be where you for go school. You go be another place, so that you go get experience wetin dey happen for another place. That is why the government introduced this 1 year for you to serve your country. Some other countries like Israel, that 1 year you go serve for army. I think Russia they also they do, but for Nigeria they know they force you to go serve for army, but rather they force you to go another place, another town, another state, make you go serve in a local community, make you see wetin dey happen, and make you wetin you learn for university, make you use that they help that community. Like us, we know so many people when they go serve for schools, most of them na school that they post that they go, but this society they post them to Akure. So in a batch B for copper, when they reach this small village for Akure, Ondo State, the town no get water. The water when they drink, it is very bad. I go put the video for una make una see the kind water when the people they drink. It is very bad. It no good, because that kind of water, it dey cause sickness, it dey cause typhoid, it dey cause malaria, it dey cause other belle problem. So many sickness when it fit cause, because mosquito dey inside the water, animals don't die for inside the water, but yet now the people they drink. They say the nearest town when they get water now about 5 kilometers away. 5 kilometers, if far well, not be waiting person. You and I no go fit wakara. You go need to enter motor, or you go enter keke, and they say for keke to carry you go there, it dey cost money, and not be everybody now get the money to pay to reach this town where water you go see another clean water. If far well, and you know our old people they no go fit waka go there, or woman when get small pikin no go fit waka with the pikin, no go fit leave the pikin for house go find this water. So this Michael Osareti can't think wetin I go fit do for this community, how I go fit impact this community. The thing when I learn for school, how I go take help these people. He can't say, okay, wetin I go fit do for this community people now to help them to get this water, because water may be the first thing for life. Oh, if you not eat for 5 days, you no go die. But if you not drink water for 5 days, my brother and my sister, you go die, because your organs they need the water for you to survive. So now, so this Michael Osareti come sit down, so okay, make I help this town make they get water. But how I go do am? Me na copper, I no get money, and I no come from rich family. When I fit go meet my mama or my papa or my brothers, make them give me money, make I take help this community. So he come dey ask people for the community. First of all, he go church. You know, all of us say church na supposed to help people. He go the church for the town, say okay, this na wetin I wan do for this town. I wan build borehole, make una get good water, make una dey drink, because e good, e dey healthy for una to get good water, pure drinking water. The church no gree help, and they tell am say because you no be member of this church, we no go help you. That one e no good at all. Another day I go make another video about churches and members and non-members. That one dey very bad, because what is the purpose of that church in that village? He say make you help those wey no get house, make you help those when they hungry. This guy come now he wan even help, but make we start from here. Anything when we fit gather, they tell am say no, make you go, we no go help you because you no be our church member. That one dey bad. Oh, if the church they hear wetin na dey talk, it dey bad. any church when they do like that, make una change. Oh, if anybody come meet una for help, make una dey help them. I beg. That is the purpose of having a church. So in comot, in go meet the villagers, say okay, I wan help una make una get clean water borehole. Even the villagers, they reject am. They tell am say no, you wan play us for one night, because some people don come, they don promise us water like this, but they no give us the water. So we no wan hear wetin you dey talk, or we no even believe you say you go fit give us water, because even government don promise say they go give us water, they no give us water. Then some of the villagers say no, we no go help you because you no be our tribe person. In fact, you na Benin man, how we go come give you money make you come make water for us? That one now we dey call racism. E no good. Tribal racism e bad o. We when dey abroad, we go dey shout say the oyibo they resist us. Now we even start am for our own body self. Back home, we still get racism. So because of that one, the villagers no help Osareti. And this boy, he no give up. Oh, he still continue with his quest to help this town to give them water. So he come knock on some organization. So 2 organization was able to help him. Now only these 2 organization. Now he listen to this Michael Osareti say, okay, this idea when you get, it dey good. So we go help you with 50,000. So one of the organization give her 50,000 naira. The other one give her 50,000 naira, which is 100,000. But the 100,000 is not complete to make sink borehole for Nigeria. We all know how borehole dey expensive. I think about 160,000 now this guy go need for the borehole. So he constantly begin, after he don't get that 100,000, at least that one na starting point, na stepping ground. He can use that one, see the campaign. So other people can join, can see they donate small, the money can reach. Now so this Michael Osareti can build this beautiful borehole for the town. Now this town in Akure, they can't get fresh water that they drink. The children were happy. The old mama for the village, they happy. The women with children, they happy. They don't need to trek far before they go get water. So this boy did very well. Now it make me carry this story, say make I come knock am for here. Make we learn from this Michael Osareti, because you no need to get billions of naira before you go fit help your community. And shame to all these our people for Nigeria, when they get money, when they get fleet of cars, their own na to showcase the fleet of cars for internet, or they show am off. Shame on those of our big men for Nigeria when they get fleets of private jet. Wetin they take and they do, they know they take and they help any citizen for the country. Shame on them. Look at this boy, when no get anything, he come from poor home, he's just a copper. If he get the desire, the mind to do this kind of thing, even with the challenges when he meets, imagine the obstacle, the opposition. Now the people of the town, now he want help. Now they see the opposer and say, you know they go our church. In fact, you not be Yoruba person. In fact, you not come from Akure. In fact, some people don't promise us, so we no one listen. But yet that one not discourage him not to help the people. He was still determined to help the people. Now it make me say, make we begin to behave like this kind Michael Osareti. I need to see more of Michael Osareti springing up from Nigeria. Since the government say they not care for us, the rich men say they not care for us, make we in our small way, make we dey care for ourselves, make we dey manage. They do and small, maybe the government go come they look us. Right now, as I talk to you, the government don't hear about the good work when Michael Osareti do. They don't say they go put hand for inside Michael Osareti, because now these kind of people that they find, make them entrust so many jobs for a hand. So government don't say they go give Michael Osareti 1.2 million naira, make it build 2 more boreholes for 4 village. So 2 village go they use 1 borehole. 2 village go they use 1 borehole. Now starting point. It's not as if it's too good, because 1 village supposed to get 1 borehole, but it better than nothing. So we thank this Michael Osareti, and we even still thank the government when come put hand, come join Michael Osareti. So make we they think like Michael Osareti, make we get the desire and the willingness, because if Michael Osareti not get the desire and the willingness, he no go fit do this thing. Make we dey think outside our box. Make we not just dey think about ourselves. Make we not just dey think about our image and environment. If now some people, Michael Osareti go say, after that I not come for this village, so I not care. But the boy not think like that. So I beg. So now the way we supposed to dey behave, now be this. Make we know they live there. Say because we know they live there, abeg, wherever community you find yourself, be a part of that community, serve that community. That community no go ever forget Michael Osareti say na the kind good work when he do be this. Na the ogbonge story when I carry come give una be this. So abeg make una dey subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time you are just coming across my video, please hit that button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more videos again. God bless you all. Bye for now. I go put the video, make you watch the video. Bye.
If you come this place, you see the water wey they take before, you will know say this na community where you no go live. Like you no fit all leave them come on. You suppose solve their problem. I thank God say God fit use me solve the water problem for these villagers. My name na Osareti Michael and I be Batch B corps member wey dey serve for Akure, Ondo State. When I first start this project, some people not help me because they say I be Benin man, I no be Yoruba. So they not fit support another tribe for this state, so they not help me. Even some churches, they say because I no be their church member, they not fit help me because I no be their church member. Even this village where they do some people not fair believe because some people don't first promise them water before. So they think say I no fit do but I thank God say God help me along the ways. Press am small, not dey press am too much like this. Wetin inspire me to do this kind of project na because say when I small, I dey see other coppers they do this kind of thing. So I can't tell myself say when I go service, I could still try do this kind of thing. And also because say the kind of family where I come from, they not get money. I grew up with this mindset that if I fit do something for person, if I feel say I fit make person life better, I go try my best do am for the person. So when I come service, I can't see say these people, they not get water, they not get road, they not get electricity, even network to call, they not get anything. So I can't say, even if not just water I fit do for them, that one fit do me. So I can't say, now this one I go do. For the first 2 months where I start this thing, because not be my money I use. So I they go around, they ask people, ask politicians. People know they believe me because they say this guy is a scammer or all these things. So it they really frustrating at first. So maybe like for the 3rd month now, I can't see 2 organizations will give me 50,000. I won't even meet people online. We won't create campaign like may they help people. We make video, we make pictures, may they can't help these people, and little by little people can't they donate. You get where we can't reach. Other people say they know go support me before they can't support. Even the community, like every material where I use the cement, the sand, even some of the people where assist me they work now, then provide all of them. When I start the project, I encounter so many challenges. Like for example now, some of my copper friends, they laugh me say, who you be, say you want to do ball for person, you understand? So they not just they encourage me at all. And even some people where they close to me, instead of encouraging me, they go say this project, it's too big, the money too big, now abandoned project go be. So I no one will mention the insult because even I won't get some people where even tell me say, may I no come their house. Because they tell me say they disturb them. When I see them, they use this water, the thing they make me happy for my mind. Like I feel so happy about it because it's the feeling where go dey your body because say they know they suffer sickness like as they used to do, and the joy on their faces. Like you need to see the small children, like the small children, they are happy. The mothers, they are happy. Even the old ones now, they can even drink water from this place. They don't need to go far. Everybody say water! Amen.